What are we doing today?
Working on half calves.
All right. Jazz can already kind of do them.
I like to set up with a fakie stall before the half calf. Oh!
Ah, dang. See, I'm working on these.
All right.
And let's see.
What about your turn, Kev?
Yeah,
I want to see you try a half calf
that's
and break down how you've been learning it.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Let's see it.
So, how many sessions have you even been trying half calves, Kev? I would say six.
Like 6 or so out here.
Maybe 6 sessions.
I guess, maybe.
So this is a pretty new trick for you.
Yeah.
So this is for all of y'all who are working on half cab. You know, like, we're definitely not experts, but this is just like how Kev is learning it in his first 6-7 sessions.
That's right. And what I was started to do when I first started to do these is I was pumping in the underneath of the underneath of the coping, not going out, and trying to get good at doing fakie 180s. I think you want to get good at doing fakie 180s. And this is not a tutorial by any means, because I can't even do these half cabs yet. But I started doing these fakie 180s. Just little fakie 180s, and get comfortable with, turning around and getting both feet, doing a 180 on the ramp, right?
Yeah.
Then, once you get comfortable, which I'm not, I'm gonna give these a few goes here.
Okay.
And hope maybe you can help me, critique me, Jazz, and help me get this trick unlocked. This is like the 6th day, right?
Yeah. Well, what I've been saying is what helped me when I was learning this is to do 180s like you talked about below the coping, the fakie 180s, and then try to go in the same direction and 180 from fakie to forward out over the coping onto the deck. Okay. Like skipping the coping altogether. But that step for you seems to be a little trickier.
All right.
The air, like getting over the coping and out beyond it first, right? So maybe we'll work on that.
All right, well, I'm anxious. I'm gonna try to get it. Go.
Okay.
So it should be pretty comical.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Okay. Oh, almost. I see you do a little toe stop bump.
A little toe stop bump.
I also I learned with the toe stop bump as well.
It's scary to go around there and try to get both feet on
both on the same time, yeah. But you're getting closer. You're going higher.
Am I?
Than you were like the last few sessions. I noticed you're going higher.
So I need to wait longer and go higher.
Yeah, try to try to go more out than you think you need to go.
Okay.
Yeah, let's think about that. Okay. Here we go. Solid stall. Oh, there we are. A little toe bump there, but getting closer, I see. Getting much closer.
All right, I gotta wait.
Oh, we forgot to mention you were practicing this on a curb, and that helped you as well, right? With the form?
Sort of.
Yeah. It's different on a curb though, but yeah. But a curb is a good place to practice any stall, I think. Hey, not bad.
Not going out though.
You're not going all the way. You're not all the way committing to going out.
Okay, I gotta do it.
All right.
Gotta commit.
Gotta commit.
All right, ready?
Just send it. We got a nice railing you can reach for. Safe. It's safe and comfortable. Solid. There we go. Oh, that was almost a half cap. You are definitely getting closer.
Getting close. All right, I gotta go.
And I took a really long time to learn this trick. So you're doing faster than I did when I was learning it.
All right.
All right, here we go. Let's see it. Let's send it. Out. Trying to send it out. Oh, yeah. Now, the next step, like when you land in the stall, it's like you kind of bend your knees like you're sitting in a little chair.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
When you're doing that, but I think your chest is coming forward. So when you bend your knees like you're sitting in a little chair, try to lift your chest up a bit more.
All right.
How about that? I think maybe that's... All right, here we go. And please share in the comments your feedback as well. Yeah, we want to hear from you. So let's go. All right. Here we go. He's sending it. Oh, you did go out. You were a little too far before, but better far forward than far backward. So there you go, and you went out.
All right, let's go.
All right, here we go. All right, trying to send that energy out and beyond the coping. Oh, almost, but you got that little toe stop bump.
I got scared.
Yeah.
I'm going one more time.
I know, I know, you gotta,
One more time.
mind over matter. Okay, here we go.
One more time. I'm going out.
Out and up.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Oh, not bad.
I did a little slide.
You did a little tiny baby, that's cute. Yeah, it's a nice little move there.
I'm done.
All right, so do you have any other tips you want to share about this? But I do think you're making a lot of progress.
Yeah, it was fun. My tips is listen to Jazz. I don't know. I think everything that she's saying makes sense. I'm trying to wait longer, and getting out is my biggest fear.
Yeah.
So just trying to get out over that coping is the biggest thing. If you don't do it, you want me to demonstrate a little fall?
Oh, sure.
Like,
yeah.
If you don't get out, like I fell a bunch of times, so
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
gonna try something here.
All right, so you're going to demonstrate falling technique.
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Falling is a skill. I mean, falling well. Oh, there you put your hand down. Oh, okay. Yeah. Slide.
Up, down on the knees. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It
I
kinda-
see.
Once you fall a couple times, it's not that scary.
Yeah, okay.
But,
Yeah. You get
shall-
better at it. You get better at timing the falls.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Shall I give it one more try?
I mean, that's up to you.
One more try.
All right.
One more try.
I'm all for it.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Here we go.
Let's go.
He's going for it again. Oh, booty bumperoonie.
Ah.
Oh, wow.
I did a booty bump.
You did a booty bump.
I'll have a bruise.
You'll have a bruise.
That was fun, guys.
Yeah. Well, we are making progress.
That's right. So, hope you guys have some tips for that, for me, maybe. Because I got to get this. But maybe next time, once I get it, we'll do a really good tutorial on it.
Yeah.
Or so. But anyway, hope you guys found it entertaining. Me falling and everything. So, hope you guys have a nice day today. And you found this very entertaining. And maybe I'll post a picture of my bruise, because I'll have one, I know that.
Oh, dear.
But until next time, skaters, we'll see you guys later, and have a great day.
Oh, bye-bye.